This paper is an efficient TransVLAD for aggregating global descriptor for visual geolocalization. Visual geolocalization aims to estimate the geospatial location of a query image by matching it with a gallery of geotag images. The fundamental problem is how to get a discriminative global descriptors. The main difficulty is that the dataset only have GPS labels, and the images around the same GPS label may have completely different sense from different view directions. The current work only use CNNs to extract features. However, the locality assumption of CNN hindered the performance in complex sensors. Proposed solution is an efficient TransVLAD for generating global descriptors, exploiting transformer encoder to enhance global reasoning ability with both top-down gallery images and the potential difficult positive images for better training. Top is the view of the standard geolocalization system with NetVLAD, and bottom is overview of our efficient TransVLAD model. A given CNN feature map extract is in input to the transformer encoder, which aggregates attention-based feature maps into a compact global descriptor and generates multi-scale similarity scores for local descriptors. Here is the sparse transformer of our TransVLAD. The feature map is split into uniform patches, which are downsampled in single pixel vectors. For the transformer encoder, we use the self-cross attention mechanism to transfer feature between adjacent layers. Finally, the output sequence of vectors are upsampled and added with the input patches and then merged into an attention-based feature map. Here is our group VLAD. Considering that the dimension of global descriptor is too high for image retrieval, a PCL layer is added to reduce the dimension, which requires hundreds of millions of parameters. For efficiency, we decompose the high-dimensional input feature vectors into groups of relatively low-dimensional vectors before VLAD aggregation to reduce the output dimension of a VLAD layer. It is composed of standard neural network and VLAD core layer to perform aggregation as illustrated on the right. The main parameters for the layers are shown in brackets. It is illustration of how multi-scale patches are split and merged in our self-supervised learning. The feature maps of these patches are fed to the group VLAD layer to generate corresponding descriptors. Cross-matching of these local descriptors are performed cross-query and gallery images to compute multi-scale similarity scores. Here are the qualitative results on both geolocalization benchmarks and standard image retrieval benchmarks. With the same VGG as other models, we can see that our TransVLAD model outperforms state-of-art models on almost all the benchmarks while having low model complexity. Here are the qualitative results on the geolocalization dataset with complex environment and variable lighting conditions. We can see that our model is shown to focus on the discriminative region, while the other two models incorrectly focus on changeable objects. Thank you so much for your attention.